Nowadays, there is a word which has come up very often, hyperactive.
Yeah.
Jo, when I was a child, I never heard that any of my cousins or we don't, hyperactive word मैंने कभी सुना नहीं था. But nowadays when we go to schools and PTMs and the teacher normally says, yeah, my class is full of hyperactive kids and it is difficult for me to control their energy. So why has that thing come up now? मतलब हम जब school में थे तो मैंने कभी सुना नहीं मेरे class में कोई child, there is a child who is so notorious and so why is it now that whole class is full of hyperactive kids? That is what is there nowadays.
You know, the actual cause for hyperactivity. Have you heard of ADHD? Attention deficit disorder. It makes children hyperactive. Attention deficit will make them so restless because there's no attention spans at all, no long attention span. So they are only physically active. It makes them hyperactive. And the cause for ADHD, this attention deficit, is, you won't believe it, what the cause is. I'm going to the very source. I'm not going to give you superficial causes. The source of attention deficit is overexposure. All the time, you see the whole world is on your children's mobile screen. And for everything they are going to that. They know everything that is on YouTube. This overexposure constantly through the senses, over bombardment on the mind, it makes the mind so unstable and restless that their attention is constantly flitting. That is the cause for attention deficit, and that makes them physically very active, overactive.
So yoga and meditation
Will control the whole thing. Yoga and meditation is the only way to control these situations. Tell me what other way is there? Can you give them antidepressants all the time, every day to control their hyperactivity? You can't. Teach them to quiet down a little. You know, we have a school in Delhi where we used to tell the children, we train them like this. Even KG1 children, 2 minutes in the assembly, they have to close their eyes and watch their mind. They have to do it. Whatever is happening in the mind, you will just watch it. Close your eyes and watch your mind. So initially they would tell me, you know how they would close their eyes like this? As if, what am I going to see now? Like that. Because not at all used to closing your senses. So thoda ye aap practice karo, karwao apne bachon ko. Let them learn to see the inner world, the world of the mind, what is there. And then when you open your eyes, you will see a very beautiful world outside. But inside, if there is such a level of instability that you just can't close your eyes, then God has to save situations, that's all.